हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? आई थिंक वी ऑल आर वेरी वेल एंड वेरी एनर्जेटिक. यस बेटा, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर क्लास 12 सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स टॉपिक ITF means inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, in this topic today we discuss about remaining questions of 2.2 and miscellaneous second. So let us start. Yes beta, our question is prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Simple sa question. There is no typicalness in this question. So let us start. Taking LHS. Here 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3. Yes, can we take common 9 by 4 here? So 9 by 4 it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. Is that clear? And as we know, sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta is equal to pi by 2. Then pi by 2 minus sin inverse theta will be cos inverse theta. बेटा मैंने sin inverse theta को इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse theta will be cos inverse theta. Can we use this identity here? Then 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3. Yes, बेटा सिंप्लीफिकेशन तो हो गया, लेकिन we want to prove in terms of sin inverse and it is in terms of cos inverse. So can we convert cos inverse term into sin inverse term? Yes, we all know that. Let cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 3, and in triangle, suppose that it is theta, then it is base upon hypotenuse. It is 3, it is and 2 under root 2. Then sin theta is equal to 2 under root 2 upon 3. Theta is equal to sin inverse 2 under root 2 upon 3. It means we can replace cos inverse 1 by 3 by sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. So answer is 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. It is RHS. Okay then, can we calculate these type of questions? It is most important question of exercise 2.2. Yes beta. Now our next question belongs to miscellaneous second, and question is prove that cot inverse and in square root 1 plus sin x plus in square root 1 minus sin x upon in square root 1 plus sin x plus minus in square root 1 minus sin x, it is equal to x by 2. Okay then, अब बेटा देखो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल नो दैट एन आइडेंटिटी 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay, and यस बेटा, ये कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, ये हमारे पास ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रिलेशंस हैं. आई मीन टू से जब हम लोग इसको सोल्व करेंगे a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर वाली आइडेंटिटी से, देन cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 cos थीटा sin थीटा वाली कंडीशन बनेगी. सो cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा विल बी 1 एंड 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू sin 2 थीटा. तो हम लोग इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें तो ये हमारे पास कंडीशन बन जाती है. सेम पैटर्न पे इसको भी हम लोग ये मेंशन कर सकते हैं. और हमने ये जो दोनों कंडीशन है यही हमारे को लर्न रखनी है इस मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के लिए. अगर ये अपने को लर्न नहीं होंगी तो बेटा इसके सिंप्लीफिकेशन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो. सो वी शुड लर्न दिस रिलेशन taking LHS. It is cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x in square root, and same in denominator 1 plus sin x minus in square root 1 minus sin x, and we use these relations at here. So we get cot inverse, it is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and here cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, same in denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus. अब बेटा देखो यहां माइनस है तो ये जो टर्म है इसका माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा प्लस में. सो cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Is that clear? Now can we cancel some terms like this to this and this to this? Then we get cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. It will be 2 to 2 cancel out. So cot inverse cot x by 2, then it will be only x by 2. That is our answer. Has proved. Okay then. Yes, I am taking one other question based on same pattern, and it is also most important question. Okay then. Yes beta, it is one of the most important question of miscellaneous second of our NCERT book. Yes beta. So question is, prove that tan inverse in bracket in square root 1 plus x minus in square root 1 minus x, and in denominator in square root 1 plus x plus in square root 1 minus x, and we have to prove this term is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Is that clear? So first of all, taking LHS, it is tan inverse 1 plus x 1 minus x. Is that clear? Now बेटा जस्ट प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने यहां पर हमारे पास क्या था, 1 प्लस साइन एक्स था ना. तो बेटा ऐसे ही हम लोग जो है इसको भी रिप्लेस कर देते हैं किसी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टर्म से, जिससे हमारे पास ये थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई हो जाए, इजी हो जाए. तो इसके लिए हमारे को ऑल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज लर्न होनी चाहिए, कुछ बेसिक्स रिलेशंस होते हैं वो लर्न होने चाहिए. सो यू शुड लर्न देम. यस, हियर पुट x is equal to sin theta, then theta is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, now if we put here tan inverse 1 plus sin theta in square root and 1 minus sin theta in square root, and same in denominator 1 plus sin theta and here 1 minus sin theta, and as we know 1 plus sin 2a is equal to cos a plus sin a होल स्क्वायर। ये आइडेंटिटी अभी भी हमने जो है प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में यूज ली है। तो बेटा यहां प्लस हो तो यहां प्लस आएगा, और अगर यहां नेगेटिव हो तो यहां नेगेटिव आ जाएगा। मैंने दोनों एक साथ मेंशन कर दी। एनी डाउट? नो? ओके देन आई अप्लाई these relations here. So we get it is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Same in denominator, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Is that clear? Now some terms are cancelled. Then we get tan inverse. Here 2 sin theta by 2 upon 2 cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out, and it is tan inverse tan theta by 2. So we have only theta by 2. Okay then, use equal to symbols also. Yes. Now I put the value of theta from here 1 by 2 sin inverse x. Is that clear? But we have to prove here in terms of cos inverse. So can we convert it? Yes, we all know that sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse theta will be pi by 2 minus cos inverse. So answer is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Then if we solve the bracket, then we get pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. It is our RHS. Yes beta. Can we practice by some other questions based on this topic? Yes beta. Now I am taking another type question. Okay, our next question. Solve the equations for x, and question is tan inverse in bracket 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. बेटा इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना अपने को, तो यहां पर वो प्रूफ नहीं करना है, तो हम लोग जो है दोनों कंडीशन को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे और x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे। क्या मैं इस 2 को उधर शिफ्ट कर सकता हूं क्या? देन वी गेट 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, now we all know that 2 tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. So can we use this identity here? Then we get tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. It is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, and what is theta here? 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Okay then, now tan inverse to tan inverse neglect, then we get 2 1 minus x, 1 plus x upon 1 minus 1 plus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x whole square is equal to x. Can we take LCM here? Then we get 2 1 minus x upon 1 plus x upon 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square upon 1 plus x whole square is equal to x. Then one term to one term cancel out, and it is it multiplied by this. Then we get 1 minus x, 1 plus x upon, can we calculate it? It is 1 plus x square plus 2x, 1 minus x square plus 2x is equal to x. Okay then, here 2, 1 minus x square upon 4x, it is x. So that will be cancelled out. So it will be cancelled out 2 times. Then 1 minus x square is equal to here 4x square. Yes beta. So it is 5x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 5. Then x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 5. Is that clear? Yes beta. Can we calculate these type of questions of miscellaneous second in our NCERT book? Yes beta. I am taking one another most important question of our miscellaneous second NCERT book. Yes, question is solve the equation for x and equation is 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Okay then, now here we can use identity 2 tan inverse theta like that. 2 tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. Then we get tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Then tan inverse to tan inverse neglect. It is 2 cos x upon sin square x is equal to it is 2 upon sin x. Okay then? Yes, 2 to 2 cancel out. Then we get cos x upon sin square x is equal to 1 upon sin x. Then we get sin x cos x is equal to sin square x. And now by the transposition sin square x minus sin x cos x is equal to 0. Can we take common sin x? Then sin x minus cos x is equal to 0. Here if sin x is equal to 0 and if sin x minus cos x is equal to 0, here sin x is equal to cos x, then tan x is equal to 1. मैंने दोनों तरफ क्या कर दिया, cos x से डिवाइड कर दिया. So x is equal to pi by 4 and here x is equal to 0. So we get two answers of this condition, 0 and pi by 4. बेटा जल्दबाजी में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहां sin x से sin x कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं. तो sin x से sin x कैंसिल आउट नहीं होते कभी भी. ओनली जो कांस्टेंट टर्म्स हैं उन्हीं को हम लोग कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं. तो अपने को ऐसे वेरिएबल्स को कभी कैंसिल आउट नहीं करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.